You don't sound black.
As a woman, I know what you go through as a minority.
You know, my parents don't like black people, but they love you.
You are so articulate.
These seemingly innocent comments are not innocent. They are what you call a microaggression.
These microaggressions are painful daggers that we hear over and over and over again.
They have a lasting impact on the mental health of the people they are said to. You know, as a coach for a program,
This is a big step because it's one of those things that you don't even know that you need. But once you have it, it will change your life.
it's making sure that those dancers who come into our teams, they leave better off after having an experience from being coached under us. That takes education. That is why we have founded Include.
Do not hesitate if you're thinking about signing up for this workshop. It will be worth everything.
We need to be someone who prevents these types of things from happening, and you can do your part.
Please do your part.